Alright, what is up, guys? Today I'm at the Tropicana Las Vegas and I just saw these Casablanca Panama ceiling fans in Snow White with BXL blades, and it looks like all of them running in reverse. They are pretty wobbly. And let's see, let's go all the way down here. So here's this. Oh no, is that a replacement fan? Oh no, one got replaced. I can tell. It has a hang true. That sucks. Still Casablanca though. This one actually blowing the most air because that's the tiniest blades, and it's going on. It looks like it's going faster, but yeah. Fans go all the way down there, and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of these things. 11 of these are regular Panamas. They look like the regular Panamas. I don't know if they're XTR or not, but they look like regular Panamas. And one, these newer spinner motor Panamas. I don't know if it's DC or not. It looks like it's remote. Looks like it's a remote control though. Hell, let's get good looks at that. Beautiful. All right. I'm guessing that one broke because I know they wouldn't really be changing them out this often, but yeah. I'll definitely be trying to acquire these in the auction. More Casablancas. And yeah. Those are the ceiling fans at the Tropicana.